Looking to take your photography and videography to the skies? In this video, we'll explore the best camera drones that deliver stunning aerial shots, 4K video, and professional-level performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, these drones make capturing breathtaking footage easier than ever. Number 1. Ruko F7 Pro Drone. From pumpkin patch outings to laughter in the autumn leaves, these are the moments they'll remember. With crisp 6K photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video, the F7 Pro 2 turns everyday family memories into cinematic treasures, because time flies, but the best parts of life shouldn't fade. F7 Pro 2's premium image sensor lens outshines standard lenses, capturing finer details and richer textures, bringing your world to life with vibrant color and exceptional clarity. Experience the advantage of our 3-axis brushless gimbal, which provides superior stability and smoothness. With enhanced wind resistance, you can capture professional-level aerial footage with ease. Enjoy extended adventures with our drone, featuring 2 batteries that each provide 35 minutes of flight time. That's a total of 70 minutes of exhilarating flying fun on a single outing. Unlock cinematic possibilities with intelligent GPS flight modes. Whether it's follow me, orbit flight, cruise control, or waypoint planning, these features simplify operation and allow even beginners to capture stunning, professional-level footage. Number 2. Potensic Atom 3 Drone. The Potensic Atom drone is a lightweight, portable drone designed for both beginners and adults who want high-quality aerial photography without the hassle of complex regulations. Weighs under 249 g, so it doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or included storage bag. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and Sony CMOS sensor, it captures 4K/30 FPS video and 12 MP photos. Stabilization ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions. Comes with multiple intelligent batteries providing a total of up to 96 minutes of flight. The Fly More combo includes a parallel charging hub for fast charging. Max control range up to 6 kilometers, 20,000 feet, with upgraded transmission technology for stable, low-latency HD video. Supports visual tracking and quick shots including pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, making cinematic shots effortless. GPS-assisted auto-return, intuitive controls, and beginner-friendly flight modes ensure safety and confidence for all pilots. Number 3. Bwine F7 Pro Drone. This drone with a camera complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance and has a built-in remote ID module. There is no need for an extra remote ID module. You can find the remote ID on the Bwine F7 GB2 drone arm, including the QR code. If you still can't find your drone's RID, please feel free to contact us through the contact information in the manual or our app for assistance. In an emergency, our newly released B112 Remote ID can also help you track and locate your drone. If you need it, please search B0D7ZXX5KL directly on Amazon. This Pro Drones with camera for adults 4K comes with 4K, 3840 by 2160 resolution. Standard HD, 1920 by 1080, has only 2.07 million pixels, while our 4K UHD drone has 8.7 million pixels and is equipped with a 90 degrees, 120 degrees FOV adjustable wide-angle lens, offering higher density for displaying more details and clearer images, including more realistic colors and adaptation to larger screens. This GPS-borne drone is equipped with a 3-axis, pitch, roll, and yaw, which are mutually perpendicular and can rotate freely. Through gyroscopes and sensors, they detect the orientation and adjust it in real time to counteract vibrations or interference, ensuring stable imaging of the camera. Besides, 5x digital zoom also helps to switch between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition, making your aerial photography more diverse. Flying our Bwine F7 drone, you will experience a quieter and steadier flight due to the low-noise brushless motors and level 6 wind resistance. Filming is easy and entertaining while you watch on your phone because this drone can hover in a place without worrying about moving. Number 4. Holystone HS790 Drone. Capture smooth, professional quality 4K/30 FPS videos and high-resolution 6K photos using a built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Even in windy conditions or sudden movements, your aerial footage stays stable and cinematic, perfect for travel, family events, and content creation. Equipped with advanced Holystone Wi-Fi repeater tech, the HS790 delivers real-time video transmission in ultra-clear 4K up to 9 km per 30,000 feet away. Enjoy smooth FPV, first-person view, experiences with minimal lag, ideal for long-range flying and immersive drone exploration. Comes with 2 modular batteries offering up to 60 minutes total flight time. The included smart PD charging hub also doubles as a power bank, supporting fast charging and easy on-the-go power management. Take off, land, and return with one key control. Beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjustment make it simple for new pilots, while advanced flyers can unlock full manual controls and cinematic shooting. Holystone latest navigation system and a dedicated night mode enhance visibility during twilight or dark flights. Capture the beauty of nighttime landscapes with increased safety and style. Number 5. FIMI Mini 3 Drone. Weighing only 245 g, FIMI Mini 3 Drone requires no FAA or remote ID registration. Its compact, foldable design makes this mini drone incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Next-gen drone imaging module. The drone's upgraded imaging module now delivers crisp visuals in sub-zero conditions, resolving previous low-temperature image blurring issues through enhanced thermal stabilization technology. Capture cinematic footage with the powerful 1/2-inch 48MP sensor. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures buttery smooth, professional quality videos and photos. Shoot clear, stunning videos even in low light. The advanced AI ISP chip delivers a 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio than traditional chips, revolutionizing night drone photography. Experience FPV-like immersion with SO-Link digital transmission. Enjoy HD real-time video up to 9 km per 29,000 feet, dual-band, 2.4G per 5.8G, stability, and ultra-low 120 milliseconds latency. Fly longer with up to 32 minutes per battery. The combo includes 3 batteries for 96 minutes total. USB-C fast charging gets you back in the air quickly, perfect for drones for adults who want more flight time.